Hello guys, welcome to Tech Uncovered, the place where you can find the latest news from the tech industry. Last month, Samsung announced their new ISOCELL Bright GW1, the world's first 64 megapixel sensor for smartphones. Even if it's packing more resolution than Samsung's current 48 megapixel sensor, will use the same 8 micrometer size pixel, which means it will be physically larger and will get more light from the sun. In normal usage, the bright GW1 will function as a 16 megapixel sensor by merging 4 pixels into one, the same way that current 48 megapixel sensors from Sony combine 4 pixels to create an effective 12 megapixel sensor. By doing so, the effective pixel area quadruples, allowing you to take clear, sharp photos in low light. However, the GW1 will also let smartphones read out the entire sensor, giving you full 64 megapixel images in good lighting condition. Now, we just found out that Realme has teased that its next smartphone will feature quad rear cameras with a 64 megapixel primary sensor and will arrive later this year. Courtesy to Madhav Sheth, the CEO of Realme, we have more samples of the 64 megapixel sensor, comparing it with the 48 megapixel sensor used by most phones in 2019, and we can see that the photos taken with the upcoming Realme device have a higher clarity even when zoomed in. The second story of the day is about Galaxy Fold. So everyone knows about the problems that the device had with the foldable display, and that Samsung decided to postpone the release until they fix the issue. There have been weeks since we haven't heard anything, but now, according to the investor, Samsung's display vice president Kim Seong-cheol confirmed in a speech during a recent industry event organized by the Korean Information Display Society that the Galaxy Fold is now ready to hit the market. He claimed that most of the issues with the folding OLED, which Samsung called Infinity Flex, have been solved. So these are good news for those who are desperate to get their hands on the new foldable flagship phone. The last story of the day is about the Galaxy Note 10. We have some new renders from Let's Go Digital, who believes that the device will get the same time of flight sensor present on the Galaxy S10 5G, which improved the depth effect in live focus images as well as AR apps. If this is true, then Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will get a number of boosts to its camera technology. According to Ice Universe, the Note 10 will be equipped with 3 variable aperture settings. With the Galaxy S10 range, the main camera automatically switches between f1.5 and f2.5 based on the amount of available light. So between the improved artificial adjustable bokeh style blur in live focus images and videos and the additional aperture setting for tough light conditions, it sounds that the Galaxy Note 10 could be a real photography powerhouse. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and if you want more news from the tech industry, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.